Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're hunting through some more 5p's. Now I'm not hunting through all of these because there's about £30 of 5p's there, which is the equivalent to about 600 coins. So I'm going to do the rest of them over a few videos, but I am going to hunt through a few of them and all of these coins we have to the side here. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm going to go through the first handful in real time and I'm going to tell you what the coins are and what we are looking for. So, the first coin is this one, which was from, I did actually say in the last video, I think it was 1968 until 1990. No, 2008 I mean, 1990. I find quite a lot of them. That's the year 2000, so we don't need that. And now this coin is from 2008 up to literally like now. So that one is 2015, which we do find a lot of. And this is part of the one coin from every single year series. And from the 2000s, all I need now is just 2005, 2000... No, I've got 2005 actually, it's just in the wrong place. So 2000, so all I need now is 2009, 2011, 2018, 2020, and 2021, and then 2023, 24 and 25. So now we've got another one of these, which unless it's... Wait, hold up. Oh, so actually, if they are this coin, the first 5p coin, then we do not actually need it. So we can put them there, and now we've got 2016, which we don't need, 2012, which we don't need, and there is an error on 2012s, which is a double die, which if you stay tuned then I'll show you at the end of the video. And then don't need that. 2008, there is a rotation error. Nope. And then that's too old, and 2012. So out of that little handful there was 0 new coins, unfortunately, and I'll come back when I have finished this pile or when I find a few more new coins. Alright, I didn't find any new coins just now, but the other night we went to the shop and we got a 5p, and it was actually a 2014, which I needed. So yeah, I got a nice 2014 there, a nice shiny one. So that's another one for the collection. Now that is all the coins that I have put out, but since we haven't found any yet, if we come down here to the big pile, I'll take one last big handful, and the one that I dropped on the floor, which is a 2012, which we do not need, and then we will hunt them. Alright, there was no new coins, but if you see over in this corner here, this little pile, that's all pre-90s, so we are going to add to that with a few more there. So we put you there, and now I've got a ton of coins over here. There's about that in my hand, but then there's more over there, and it's literally about the same amount. So I'm gonna sort them out into years and then I'll come back to you. Alright, so the highest amount of coins from a single year that we got was actually 2012, with about, so that's 5, 10, 16 coins. So that is 16 coins, by the way. So then over in that corner over there actually is basically from every hunt it's the amount of each coin that we get. So 2012s is that pile there. No, you can actually see it on the screen now, it's that long. And then 2010 we don't actually have a pile for, so that means that it's for these piles there. And then 2013, do we have a, yes we do, there we go. And now the second and third years with the highest ones we got. This was the second highest, which is 2014, with 12 coins in total. So 14 goes back there, which is catching up to the 2012s, and now 2015, the third highest year, which we do have a thingy for a pile for, so they can go there. And then that is near enough it. There's 4 2008, and there is a rotation error. I've checked, well, I don't have one, but there is an existing few rotation errors which I do check for on some 2008 coins, so I always check for them, but we didn't have one today. Then we've got 3 2016s, which is there. Chicken Kiev for dinner. Lovely. And 2007. And then 2005. Alright. So while I'm doing this, I just thought I'd say, I hope you enjoyed the video. I do usually do Pokemon cards, but this channel is just for collecting stuff in general. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So the next hunt in this series is going to be tons of 1p's actually, because I have a ton of 1p coins downstairs. So switch it up a little bit, we'll do some 1p's. And yeah, these videos do take an extremely long time to film because you've got to hunt through the coins, sort the coins, and then obviously edit the video. And it takes so long, so if you could like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. You don't have to, I'm not forcing you to. And now, I just want to give a little shout out to this coin. It is a gold coin, and it is pretty low minted. So if we get it out of the little case quick. That is what it looks like. It is an American coin, and if I don't think you can actually spend it, but if you were to, it is classed as a £50 coin, well, dollar coin because it's American. And yeah, I just thought I'd give a little shout out to the coin. Alright, the last time now, I hope you enjoyed the video. it'd be amazing if you could like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh. It's Pikachu! Alright, I know the video would be finished, but I forgot to show you the... Oh, that's my 50p, but I forgot to show you guys the double die error on some 2012 5p's, and I have two of these. They're worth about £20 each, which is really nice. And if you look, this probably won't be a 2012 5p, yeah, it's a 2014. If you look closer at the two coins, the writing, glare off the sun, the writing, if you look at the eyes, it's like really thick, and some of the other letters around the head of the late queen. So that is what a double die is. Basically that's happened because it's been struck by the coin machine twice when it shouldn't have, and then that's caused it to make it look like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is the last time. I'll see you in the next one.